guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shix Mwangi. So today we have a challenge yenye tunafanya. Acha nionyeshe. So guys, you see these containers, we have number 1 to number 8. So nataka wakiwa wametani hivyo nitazi mix and match, nizichanganyishe wazipange kutoka from number 1 to number 8. So guys, stay tuned till the end to see this challenge. So guys, let us now get to our today's video. So here I have my guest Faith and Rin. Kila mtu atakuwa na tani yake, nataka kuzimix. Nikishamaliza kuzimix, niwaambie kila mtu atan arudishe na apange venye zinapaswa kuwa. So guys, stay. Guys, you see how I have arranged my numbers. So zikiwa hivyo nitadisarrange kwa pange wao wenyewe. So guys, let us get to our today's challenge. I never really asked to be brought into the place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all. So guys, let us now start with Faith, it's your time. So guys, asipota akikosea venye hizo numbers zimepangwa vizuri na nimedisarrange, atakula pilipili. Unaona hii pilipili? Anakula moja. So, it's your turn. Let us go. Umemaliza? So Rin ndiye atakuwa jaji wake. Rin, enda pale. Nataka umpangie utani hizo numbers venye ameziweka. Guys, you see venye amearrange vibaya. We have 5, 3, 2, 4, 8, 1. Enda pale uchukue pilipili.
Just a bite.
Aya. So, it's time now. Rin turn now for. Turn. Now it's time for Faith to disorganize, to disarrange, and be a judge to Faith, to Lynn, yes. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if not yet subscribe, like this video. New challenge in town. Mamadiza, Rin, are you ready? Are you ready? Aya, it's your time. And look at that.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away,
guys, msimaindi upepo, huku kuna upepo kubwa sana.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way.
Aya, caps, wapa pale. It's time now, Faith ajudge nani, ajudge Jiri. Hebu cha tuone venye amefanya.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna.
Guys, you see? Oh, number 1, 2, 5, 4. Oh, guy, amejaribu kabisa. Wow. Sasa huyu tutamfanyia nini guys? Hakuna pilipili ama asikule. Hebu ajijudge. Umekosea tu by the way number 4 na 3 na 5. Oi. Unataka aje? Utakula pilipili? So guys, it's my turn. Now it is real to judge me. Yes.
So guys,
never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
One, 4, 3, 2, 8, 6.
Do me a favor.
Dusting powder don't increase. Oh.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get.
5, 7. Huyu hata ndio kurutu kabisa. Yeah. Kula hiyo kitu.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
Guys, and that is the end of our today's video. Can you judge our nini? How about our challenge? Try this challenge and tag my YouTube channel. Subscribe if not yet subscribed. So guys, that is the end of our today's video. If your team Rin and team Faith, comment down below. If you are team Shikswangi, comment down below. Remember to subscribe. subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. Guys, see you on the next video.
Bye.
Maybe subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like.